Okay, so up here is, okay. I'm recording this on my husband's phone and I cannot zoom in because he has these giant gorilla paws that like my hands are too weak to get the thing. There we go. He's doing that, not me. So it's a mommy and a daddy bird. And we found a little while ago that we actually have eggs in that birdhouse that Tag had put together and hung up there, and we didn't think that anybody was using it, but they are. And whenever Macy is out here, these birds, they try to distract her, and they like fly back and forth and swoop around because they want to distract her from the eggs. And it's so
Even
cute.
though she has no idea that there's eggs in there.
Yeah, she totally doesn't care. And I
they're
can't
doing
zoom
their
out
little
again.
instinct.
Okay, I'm gonna try to get a video of the eggs. We'll see if they
Don't step in the dog pee though.
Okay. Let's see if they get upset at me.
You better do it quick.
I'm trying. Oh, I think I did step in the dog pee. Oh man, I can't.
Oh, here they are. They're trying to get your attention again.
Oh,
Can you see them?
kind of. Did you guys see that?
What?
One of them has hatched.
Let me see. Yep.
Oh,
Alright, back away.
buddy. Buddy, a little birdie hatched.
Yep.
Okay. See, they go over on our neighbor's garage roof too.
I'm waiting for them to attack you.
I'm sorry, it's just so adorable.
I know.
I've never seen a baby bird that close. Hey guys, so we're here for Lucy's dance tonight. She has 3 classes, so we're about to run in for that. But I just wanted to let you guys know, I know it probably looked like we were like touching the birdhouse and stuff because we were so close, but we did not touch the birdhouse. We did not touch the tree. We were actually a little bit further back than what it seemed, but Michael is just the right height to be able to get in there and see those little birds. Not in there, but like have the camera like zoomed in, like right in the little opening. So if you have a birdhouse that's in your, or a nest or something, and there's baby bird eggs, don't touch it. Leave it alone. Observe it like from afar, or with a zoom lens like we did. And that's really the best way to do it so that you don't risk like disturbing the birds. We don't want to make them sick with our germs or get our scent all over everything. So I promise there was no touching, and we do not recommend that you touch a bird's nest. Just because, you know, that's like a foreign thing to them. So we want to make sure that they're able to have their space and raise their little babies and stuff. So we're glad that you guys watched, and we're super proud of Tag for building that birdhouse. Like, how awesome is that? For the longest of time, we had no idea that there was birds living in there. I actually kind of thought that the hole was too small and that we were gonna have to take it down and like Michael was gonna have to like drill out, like, I guess, I don't know if you can do that. So anyway, we're super proud of Tag for making those birds such a great home where they could raise their babies. And if we're able to like give you guys updates on the babies, we'll let you know. So, but without touching.
And now it is time for a very different experience with birds at Busch Gardens. Mama tried to film, but the birds just kept attacking us. Have you ever had a bird land on your head, and did you like it? I did not.
It's
Don't spill all the nectar, Jacqueline. It's fine.
It's on my head. Get it. Mom.
I regret this so much.
Oh gosh, it's on my ponytail.
Oh, yep, it's on your back.
Ah!
I'm super done with this.
Ah!
Why is one on me? I have nothing.
I don't like the way they're.
Okay, how did I get them off now?
That's Jacqueline.
I think there's still one on my backpack.